Now let me explain how to fix video flickering in CapCut on your phone. First, we need to check the original video for any issues. We need to carefully check the original video file, as flickering may already exist due to poor lighting conditions affecting the quality. Flickering may also result from low FPS or poor lighting during screen recording. Now let's open the video in the gallery to carefully check for any flickering present there. Now, let me step out for a moment to open the gallery, where we will carefully check for flickering in the video and address it. Simply remove it. That's all there is to it. If that doesn't solve the issue, you can also adjust the FPS settings. Instead of sticking with the standard 30 FPS, try selecting 60 FPS for smoother playback. This adjustment can significantly enhance the video quality and reduce flickering. Give it a shot. If that still doesn't work, then you should carefully disable the effects. Flickering can often be caused by motion blur or glow effects, which may interfere with the video quality. Spray effects and other visual effects can indeed cause this flickering issue. If the previous adjustments don't work, you should also try disabling those effects to see if that helps resolve the problem. Now, let's talk about removing problematic transitions or overlays. Sometimes flickering can be caused by various overlays such as PNG files or other effects. Green screen effects can cause issues, so carefully remove the last elements, add new ones, and check if the flickering persists. Once again, that's all there is to it. If nothing works, the most important thing is to simply try again, as you can see. Now let's discuss how to reboot your CapCut app, or simply restart it. You can do this just like you would with your phone, as you can see, and restart it. Thank you all for watching, good luck to everyone, and goodbye for now, as you can see.